to get an invoice from Kohl's. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get an invoice from your Kohl account. So generally Kohl send invoice along with the product that you have purchased from the official website, but sometime if by mistake the Kohl's has forget you to send the invoice along with the product that you have purchased. So in order to get that, you need to simply come to the official website of kohls.com, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged into your Kohl's account, just simply click on the help center from the top right hand side of the screen. And now you simply have to connect to the customer support of the Kohl's website, and after that the customer support team will help you get your invoice. So in order to connect with them, just simply come to the help center page, and after that just simply click on ask me from the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here the Kohl's chatbot will open up for you, and you just simply have to explain your problem that you didn't receive the invoice for the previous order that you have purchased from your Kohl's account. And after that the Kohl's customer support team will reach out to you and help you regarding getting your invoice from your account or the order that you have purchased in the past. So this is basically how you will be able to get an invoice from your Kohl account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.